Hello, I'm Troy Bales, proud superintendent of PVSchools, and I'm so excited to be here today in our State of the District at Shadow Mountain High School, talking with Leanne Slater, our coordinator for the North Valley Arts Academies. Hello, Leanne.
Hi, Dr. Bales.
Tell me a little bit about our North Valley Arts Academy.
So we are a comprehensive K-12 specialty arts program offered here through PVSchools. We span 3 schools: Desert Cove Elementary, Shea Middle, and Shadow Mountain High School.
How exciting. We have a wonderful track to build it with student interest and passion starting in the elementary and carrying it all the way through. And when we get here, what do we have at the high school then? We have different tracks?
We do. We have 4 areas of study: theater, which includes theater performance and theater tech, visual arts, music technology, and dance.
Outstanding. And so today we have a little bit more information about our theater tech program. Want to introduce me to our student here?
This is Micah Alexander.
Hi, Micah. Troy Bales. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Dr. Bales.
How you doing today?
I'm doing well. How are you?
You want to tell me a little bit about what we have going on here?
Sure. So this is our ETC Ion Light Board. It's a really great piece of equipment. I've worked in some local community theaters, and it's nicer than what we have at a lot of places.
We have great facilities here, don't we? Well, we are so pleased to let our students have the state of the art.
Yes. So I'm just working on programming some lighting cues for the dancers on stage. Doing this has gotten me the experience to get some jobs in local theaters during high school, and I will definitely be able to take all of this information and this collaboration and these principles of lighting and design to that career.
Outstanding. Well, hey, thanks for sharing with me, and best wishes to you.
Thank you so much.
Well, Leanne, let's take a walk up here to the stage. I understand you've got some dancers that want to teach me a little bit about their program.
Yeah. So actually, we're going to be having an info night specifically for incoming freshmen on November 30th. At this event, we're going to see some live performances. The dancers and theater performers will be performing. We're going to talk to our attendees about our dual enrollment opportunities through PVCC.
Outstanding.
And we'll also speak a little bit about the pathway to the Arizona State Arts Proficiency Seal as well.
That's amazing. And of course, this is open to anybody who's going to be an incoming freshman, regardless of whether they're in our district or not, right?
Absolutely. We welcome students from all over the valley. And we get a lot of students from other districts joining us for this program specifically.
Well, it's an amazing program with 4 great tracks.
So these are my seniors. This is my senior class.
All right, you want to take me on stage?
Yes.
My name is Bridget.
Okay.
And my name is V.
Nice to meet you, Bridget. Nice to meet you, V. Well, tell me a little bit about the program from your lens. What attracts you to join the Arts Academies here? And what would you tell others who are considering this kind of program?
I think one thing that really piques my interest in joining NVAA dance is that we get to create our own work.
That's
we
great.
also have guests come in to either teach pieces or teach different styles like jazz or hip hop or even like salsa and some lesser known styles, and that's always really educational but also really fun to get to learn all of these different things.
Right, so you're kind of immersed with the professionals, right, immediately?
Yeah,
certainly Ms. Slater's one of those that we have and are blessed to have her. So I think one of the things that you get to do is connect with the elementary and middle school because they are also part of the North Valley Arts Academy. I understand you've got a responsibility in choreography.
I do. I actually am also part of the theater program here and have been since middle school. And this year I have the opportunity to go choreograph for their musical, which is actually going to happen right here in the PAC this year, which is a new thing because of how much our program is growing and improving.
All right, so what do you want to share with me today?
So we have a piece that's choreographed for us by a guest artist, and we are going to be sharing a little bit of it with you, some snippets that we can hopefully teach you. Hopefully you can do them with us.
Here we go.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and then 3.
Thank you so much. Hey, this is awesome. Thanks so much, ladies, for sharing with me and having a great time with you this afternoon. Thanks for supporting the arts. And we look forward to this getting off the ground here on November 30th with a great orientation night. Thank you so much.
Thank you.